So this video is if you need to rotate the true north on your home. Again, if yours lined up square like mine did in lot 56, you do not need to view this video. You should be able to skip ahead. So we have everything kind of cleaned up here. Let me just, there it is. Now again, this doesn't fit on this piece of topography, but this is just to show you what you need to do. I've got to rotate this 140 degrees from kind of where north is on there, and that's from the front of my garage corner on that. So I'm going to go to Revit here, and I'm going to go to my site plan. I want to keep these in what's called Project North. So in your floor plan right now you have two orientations, Project and True. I'm going to go over to Site Plan, and I'm going to select, this said Project North before, I'm going to make it say True North again. I'll hit apply on that. And I got to rotate this thing around. Now I'm not seeing everything in this plan here, so I'm going to go to my view range and make the bottom unlimited, view depth unlimited, hit apply. That way I can see my whole plan in the site plan. Again, that's over here in view range. So now I got to flip this thing around. So like it's rotated more than 140 degrees. We're going to have to play around with this a little bit. So I'm in the site plan again. I'm set to True North. I'm going to go to the Manage tab. So typically you're in Architecture. Go over to Manage. You're going to go to Position, and I'm going to rotate True North. I'm going to start probably with just a straight up 180 rotation. And then if we look back at that CAD drawing, let's see where we are off of that. So True North off of this line here. Let's measure over here. We'll draw a straight line over and see how many degrees we got there. Oh, 40 degrees. Okay, so let's see if we can rotate 40 degrees now in Revit and get this thing to look good. So we will once again rotate True North and pull this over 40 degrees. And that looks like what I've got over here on my CAD drawing. So then I'd be ready just to import my CAD. Now, some key things here. Site plan is set to True North. If you go back to any other level plan, this should always be set to Project North. Otherwise, if it's set to True, your project's going to be all jacked up when you go to put it on a sheet. So you want to keep this in Project North and apply on that. And then the only time you'll see it rotated at True North is going to be in this site plan, and also when you do your renders, the sun angle is going to come into effect here. So at this point, I'd be ready to bring in lot 107. I'm going to be doing my demo with lot 56, so it won't be rotated in this orientation. But I do want to show you how to import your plan if it is rotated here. So first thing, I'm going to go over, I'm going to close that. So this is my lot 50 or lot 107 for Revit. So I'm going to save it, and I'm going to close this one here. I'm going to go to my Revit plan, and again I'm on site. One of my videos just processed. I'm on the site plan here, and I'm going to go to Insert, and then we're going to go to Import CAD. So we are bringing in lot 107. Now it says auto detect imported units. I'm going to set that to inch so it doesn't mess that thing up. And I am going to go to position. Let's do manual from center. Now I'm just going to kind of eye this up, and then I'm going to drop it close, and then I'm going to have to move it. So hopefully we can go just over to modify there and move this thing from this point to line up with the corner of my home, and then I am ready to start building topography on this one. Again, I'm going to use the lot 56 example, but that's how you import that geometry in here. I'll re-import my 56 and we'll go through building that topography. So that's it on rotating. If you've got any questions, shoot me an email. I can help you work your way through.